The Flanney garbage truck toy FL-2021 is an engaging and educational toy that offers children the opportunity to assemble their own garbage truck, enhancing their creative thinking and imaginative play. This toy set includes 4 trash cans and 40 waste sort cards, teaching kids the importance of recycling and proper waste management in a fun and interactive way. Measuring 12 inches in length, this well-sized garbage truck provides great value for money and allows children to experience realistic trash collection scenarios. With realistic lights and sounds, the truck is perfect for young garbage truck enthusiasts who will enjoy the immersive experience of pretending to be a garbage collector. The DIY assembly feature of this garbage truck toy set, complete with a screwdriver set, makes it a great hands-on activity that keeps children engaged and entertained. The Flanney garbage truck toy FL-2021 comes fully assembled and includes all accessories needed for hours of imaginative play, making it an ideal gift for children aged 3 to 8.